So siya.
Now, it is my pleasure to welcome and invite here on stage our most outstanding grade 9 student, Mr. Rance Jasper Escaldonas, to deliver a brief Thanksgiving speech. Let us give him a big hand.
Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what we do." We cannot fully unleash our potentials if we will not pour our heart in the things we do. With that, we should not forget to express our gratitude to the people who inspire us to do things with a grateful heart. To our very own school president, Dr. Emmanuel Dimasino, school head administrator, Mrs. Sarah Omaxino, High School Principal and Basic Education Department Administrator, Mr. Jason James Angelica. Higher Education Department Administrator, Mr. Jerickson Bautista. Students Affairs and Services Administrator, Mrs. Elizabeth M. Arciano. High School Vice Principal, Ms. Joelisa P. Pablo. Human Resource Unit Coordinator, Mrs. Evangeline M. Salud. Higher Education Department Assistant Administrator, Mrs. Ella May Honrado Dimao. Higher Education Department Administrator for Administrative Support and Services, Ms. Mariela Carla E. Jimenez. To our beloved teachers, staffs, parents, and students, a joyful and a blessed afternoon to all of us. First of all, I would like to give a huge thanks to God for His never-ending grace, guidance, and blessings to my everyday life as a student and as a son. Without Him, I believe that all of this would not be possible. High school life is really fun and challenging. During my 3 years in SEC, I learned great lessons, experienced wonderful moments, and realized many things. I am very proud that I became a Samuelian. Aside from my parents, SEC played a significant role in shaping who I am today, mentally, physically, and spiritually. To Dr. Emmanuel Magsino and Mrs. Sarah Magsino, thank you for establishing this innovative and nurturing school, giving every student like me to improve ourselves holistically. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to study at this school for free. With that, I am able to help and repay my parents by reducing our expenses. It is one of the things that pushed me and challenged me to work even harder. For me, seeing my parents proud and happy is one of the most pleasurable things ever. Their happiness and smiles are indeed priceless. Speaking of my parents, Mama Che and Papa Jo, I appreciate all of their support, whether financial or mental. Your hard work, both at home and at work. And your sacrifices for providing me with an enjoyable school and education. You gave me strength and inspired me to do better. I feel very loved and supported because of you. I am very much blessed that I have both of you as my parents. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo, Mama Jo and Papa. You are the best. I promise to reach my dreams and your dreams for me one day with you. I will do my best to give you the life that you always wanted and dreamed of for me. To all parents and guardians present, you also deserve honor and recognition. My fellow students, please stand up, face our parents and guardians, and say thank you. Their sacrifices, love, and care are truly unmatched. Thank you, parents and guardians. To my family and relatives, you also mean a lot to me. Thank you for the endless guidance and support you have given. It feels so great to be here right now because delivering a speech in front of many people was once just a dream for us. But here I am, standing in front and delivering my thanksgiving. Thank you for always believing in me, for your wisdom, and for building my confidence. I appreciate you all. To my second parents in SEC, my subject teachers and advisors, thank you for teaching us that there is always a room for improvement. Especially to Ms. Jasmine K. Marillo, my current advisor in 9th Lab. You have always been a very caring, sweet, and supportive second parent to us. You are always there to guide and motivate us to keep on going, even during tough times at school. Ma'am Blas, you encourage me to exert my best effort in the things I do. You never fail to cheer me on, no matter what the circumstances. Because for you, the only important thing is that I try. You are one of a kind, Ma'am Blas. Thank you and really love you. To the friends that I have created along the way, thank you for giving me fun and memorable high school and life experiences. To Kinan, BJ, and to all my other friends, thank you for being there during my low times. Thank you because you guys also inspired me to persevere and to have a bigger dreams in life. You helped me to do more and cultivate self-discipline physically and mentally. My fellow students, congratulations! We have finished another challenging school year and earned our well-deserved awards and honors by standing strong and overcoming obstacles. Please be happy and proud to say congratulations to ourselves and to our co-awardees and honorees. As the theme says, elevating excellence for greater success. Let us keep on studying and pursuing our dreams. Never ever think of giving up because trying itself is already an achievement. Romans chapter 8 verse 28 says, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. I hope that the future honors and awards we receive today will be an inspiration for us to achieve better things in future. But of course, no matter what we achieve, and no matter how high we soar, let us never forget to bring back all the glory and honor to our Almighty God. Again, congratulations, and may God bless us all.